Hello children, welcome back to my class. Today I am bringing you chapter circle of class 10 NCERT book. There I will be doing two theorems 10.1 and 10.2. Here is the first theorem. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. That means what? You have to prove the tangent at any point. Say xy is the tangent at any point means at point P. This tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. Here the radius, if I join O and P, then it will be the radius. So we have to prove that the tangent xy is perpendicular to OP. So now for proving this, actually now what is a perpendicular? Perpendicular is always the shortest distance from a point to another to a line. So if somehow we can prove that OP is the shortest line among all those lines drawn to the any other points on the tangent, then it will be proved that OP is perpendicular to XY. We can draw anywhere the lines. This side also we can draw many lines. This side also we can draw many lines. But for proving, I have taken one point Q outside the circle, but it is on the tangent. Now, if I draw another line here by taking another point, then also can be taken. Whatever, how many lines you draw, it doesn't matter. But among these, all those lines drawn on the XY, if OP is the shortest, then it will be proved that it's a perpendicular. So here, as I have taken one point and drawn a line OQ, here I will prove that OP is shorter than OQ. So even we will write in a single line. OP is the radius of the given circle with center O, and XY is the tangent at point P on the circle. To prove OP perpendicular XY. So here there will come some construction. Let Q be a point on XY other than P. Other than P, or you can say exterior to the circle also, we can say other than P, or we can say exterior to the circle. And OQ is joint. Proof. That this OQ cut the circle at point R. Let OQ cut the circle at point R. Now what happened? OR equals to OP. OP is equal to OR, and OR is smaller than OQ because this part is always smaller than OQ. OQ is a longer part and OR is a smaller part. So OR is smaller than OQ. That means OR was equal to OP. smaller than OQ. So here it becomes OP is smaller than OQ. That means what? That is OP perpendicular to XY. Good. Now it's theorem 10.2. What is to be proved? The lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. So length of the tangents. Here we have drawn two tangents AP and AQ from a fixed point A. A is in the exterior of the circle. So it is from the external point of the circle, two tangents are drawn to the circle. So you have to prove that AP is equal to AQ. As they two are drawn from the same point, so they two will be equal. How is to be proved? What we have done? First of all, we have joined this point of contact P to O and similarly Q to O. Here also we know that when OP is joined and OP and OQ are joined, so OP is a radius. OP is perpendicular to AP. That means this angle will be 90 degree. Similarly, OQ is a radius, so it will make 90 degree with this tangent. So here also we will get 90 degree. Now this OA have to be joined. So there becomes two triangles. Now you have to make congruent of the two triangles. So it's very clear, these two angles are equal, these two are the radii of the same circle, and here is common side by R right angle, hypotenuse, and side RHS. Both the triangles are congruent. If both the triangles are congruent, then AP is equal to AQ. That means by CPCT. So given AP and AQ are two tangents drawn from an external point A to the circle with center O. To prove AP is equal to AQ. So here we need construction. OA, OP and OQ are drawn. Proof. So I told you earlier, here after making the two triangles, it's become easier for us. So always make habit of marking the sides and angles. In triangles AOP and AOQ. Here I have marked triangles, so you are not to put triangle symbol. What we get? Angle OPA, or you can say APO. APO is equal to angle AQO. Why? The tangent write the reason, drawn to the point of contact drawn perpendicular the tangent drawn at the pointer contact with the radius is perpendicular. So this will be equal to 90 degree. OP is equal to OQ. Here you write radii of the same circle, and moreover OA equals to OA, common side. Therefore, triangle AOP congruent to triangle AOQ by RHS rule. Therefore, AP is equal to AQ by CPCT root. So here I have completed 2 theorems. If you like my video, please do share, like and subscribe it. I'll meet again in the next class with some more questions of the same chapter. Till then, bye bye. Thank you all.